Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to close your year in QuickBooks. First, you'll want to ensure all transactions are entered and reconciled. This includes bank accounts, credit cards, and any outstanding invoices or bills. Taking the time to verify these details now will save you significant headaches later. It's a crucial step for maintaining accurate financial records and preparing for tax season efficiently. Before you officially close the books, there are a few key tasks. Make sure all your bank and credit card accounts are fully reconciled up to the last day of your fiscal year. Also, take a moment to review your accounts receivable and payable to confirm everything is accurate and up to date. Don't forget to generate and send out any required Form 1099s to your contractors. Now, let's talk about making those important closing entries. First, run your profit and loss, balance sheet, and statement of cash flows reports. These provide a snapshot of your business's financial health. Next, create a secure backup of your QuickBooks company file. This is vital for historical data. Finally, set a closing date password to prevent accidental changes to prior periods. After closing, it's always a good idea to consult with your accountant. They can provide a final review of your books and assist with tax filing. This ensures you're fully compliant and ready for the new year. Starting fresh with accurate records sets a strong foundation for future financial success. Also, for a fresh car scent, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.